Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? That's really great. You all are blessed one, isn't it? Great. So, children, today we are going to start English literature. I know you all were eagerly waiting for the same, isn't it? आप सब लोग वेट कर रहे थे ना कि मैम लिटरेचर कब स्टार्ट करेंगी? You all learn story. You all like to learn stories and waiting for reading as well. That's good. Okay, चलिए. But before starting the class, first let's go through the word of the day. So what is the word of the day today? Enlighten. Enlighten means children to inform. किसी को information देना for knowing something, for better knowing something. यानी किसी को कोई चीज़ बताना, information देना ताकि वो उसको बहुत अच्छे से जान पाए. So this is the meaning of enlighten. Kindly note it down in your practice notebook. आप इसको अपनी practice notebook में note कर लीजिएगा. As you are already doing, isn't it? अब कर रहे हैं ना? That's really good. Okay, children. So open your book. This is your book, friends. Course book. I'm sure you all have the same book of literature. If you are not having the same book, please go and exchange it. Okay, children? Okay, now turn your page. Let's come to the first chapter. The chapter 1 is Up the Mountain. Who has written this chapter? Who is the writer of this chapter? Joanna Lois Spyri. So, this Up the Mountain is taken from a novel, Heidi. एक novel है Joanna Lois Spyri का Heidi. उसमें से इसको लिया गया है. This chapter has been taken from that novel. So, let's see what is there in this chapter. In this chapter, there is Heidi is a girl who went to the mountains. कहाँ जाती है वो रहने के लिए? Mountains पर. So this is the story of Heidi in the mountains. Now I'm going to ask you a question. Are you all ready? Before starting it, let's start with our chapter with a question. Are you all ready? Okay. So have you ever thought of living in the mountains? आपने कभी सोचा है, कभी आप चाहते हो कि हम जाके mountains में रहें? I know so many children want the same, isn't it? Because we find mountain areas very pleasant and enjoyable as well. है ना? Isn't it? Yes. So now how is the life in the mountains different from the city? Mountains की जो life है वो city की life से कैसे different होती है? You all are living in cities. Most of you are living in cities, right? तो यहाँ पे जो life है और how many of you have gone to the mountains area? कौन-कौन गया है mountains area में? Hill stations. Very good. So it is different now or same? Yes, different होती है. वहाँ पे weather कैसा होता है? Yes, chilly weather होता है because it is a hilly area, right? Hill stations है, mountains area है, तो there is snow. We find snow everywhere, isn't it? यहाँ पे कैसे हैं? Walk करने के लिए roads जो हैं वो stable है, मतलब plain roads हैं. वहाँ पे कैसे हैं? Steep हैं. कहीं पर up है, कहीं पे down है. राइट तो ट्रैवलिंग में भी वहाँ दे फेस डिफिकल्टी इजंट इट और जस्ट बिकॉज वेदर कैसा होता है वहाँ पे कोल्ड होता है तो वेदर चेंजिंग नहीं होती लाइक इन आर एरियाज क्या होता है वेदर कैसे होते हैं चेंज होता रहता है समटाइम्स इट्स हॉट समटाइम्स रेनी समटाइम्स इट इज कोल्ड राइट सो समहाउ डिफिकल्ट द लाइफ देयर बट देयर इज ग्रीनरी ऑल अराउंड पॉजिटिव चीज़ क्या है वहाँ पे ग्रीनरी भी है isn't it और pleasant भी है because greenery है तो we feel pleasure क्या होता है pleasant yes so life is beautiful as well cities की life से cities में क्या है ज़्यादा pollution is there isn't it correct so this is what difference between cities life and mountain areas life so now let us start reading मैम अभी start करेंगे chapter को hold your pencil as ma'am is holding her chalk ठीक है एंड वॉट एवर द वर्ड यू फील डिफिकल्ट अंडरलाइन इट और मैम भी आपको यहाँ पर डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करवाएंगे सो बी रेडी एंड श्योर चिल्ड्रन यू हैव ओपन दिस चैप्टर एंड नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रीड मैम रीड करेंगी यू विल पुट योर फिंगर देयर आप अपनी फिंगर को वहाँ पे प्लेस करोगे एंड यू विल रीड विद मैम आप मैम के साथ इसकी रीडिंग करोगे सो लेट्स स्टार्ट वन सनी मॉर्निंग इन जून टू persons were climbing up a mountain path. One was a tall, strong-looking woman, the other a child of 5. The child had on 2 dresses. one above the other. Over these a red woolen shawl, and on her feet were thick mountain shoes. It was a, how was the morning? One sunny morning. Sunny क्या होता है? When it is sun, यानी धूप, जब वहाँ पे सूरज निकल आता है, sun निकल आता है. Yes. So on the sunny morning in June, which was the month? June, right. June में हमारे यहाँ क्या होता है? How is the weather in June in like city areas? The hottest, right? Yes. Two persons were climbing up a mountain path. Mountain path मतलब mountain का जो way है, रास्ता है. Two persons were climbing. Who were those two persons? One was a tall, strong looking woman. एक कैसी थी? Tall और strong दिखने वाली एक strong woman थी. And other a child of 5. और दूसरा कौन था? 5 year की बच्ची थी. The child had on 2 dresses. और child ने क्या पहना हुआ था? Child had on 2 dresses means child wore 2 dresses. जो 5 years की बच्ची थी उसने 2 dresses पहनी हुई थी. One over the above because hilly areas है, like the cold areas जहाँ पर होते हैं, like when the weather is cold in our place we also wear 2 dresses, isn't it? Right. One over the above. Over these a red woolen shawl, and her feet were thick mountain shoes. Like 2 dresses के ऊपर से उसने एक shawl डाला हुआ था रेड कलर का woolen shawl, and in her feet she was wearing mountain shoes. कैसे shoes थे? Thick, मोटे मोटे thick mountain shoes. Next comes, are you tired? Hedy asked her companion. Children, underline the word companion. Companion means friend. Yes. The one who is, जो किसी के साथ होता है, साथी इसको बोलते हैं हिंदी. No, I am hot, answered the child. Like the tall, strong looking woman was asking कि are you tired? Hedy से उसने पूछा कि was she tired? यानी Hedy जो थी वो tired थी, थक गई थी. Then what she replied? No, I am hot. यानी क्या? मुझे गर्मी लग रही है. We shall soon get to the top now. You must walk bravely on a little longer and take good long steps, said Date in an encouraging voice. कौन था? We shall soon get to the top. हम जल्दी कहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे? We will reach at the top. We would reach at the top soon, very early, right? You must walk bravely on a little longer. यानी आप तुम्हें थोड़ा सा bravery से, right? कैसे? थोड़ा सा और लंबा चलना है. And take good long steps. और steps यानी कैसे चलो? Long steps लो, यानी जल्दी चलो. Said Date in an encouraging voice. Who was that lady? Date. Date. The tall, strong-looking woman. She said in an encouraging voice. Encouraging, children क्या होता है? Underline the word encouraging as well. When we encourage or motivate, motivating voice, right? Underline this word as well. As they walked ahead, the child spotted a young goatherd. Goatherd, children, one who takes care of goats. तो जैसे ही the date moved ahead, आगे बढ़े वो लोग, spotted मतलब found. उसको क्या दिखा वहाँ पर? एक young goatherd climbing up a footpath with his goats. क्या कर रहा था? वो भी mountain path पे कहाँ जा रहा था? Yes, climbing up at the top of the mountains with his goats. और उसके साथ में कौन थी? Goats थी. She went after him, panting and struggling to catch him. She went. Who is she here? Who went after him? Hedy went after goatherd. Yes. Panting and struggling to catch up. Panting means, children, breathing quickly. जल्दी जल्दी से. When we move faster, what do? We breathe in fast, quickly. जल्दी जल्दी से हम सांस लेते हैं, right? तो panting and struggling to catch up, उसको पकड़ने के लिए. But the heat and the weight of her clothes exhausted her. लेकिन जो heat थी means जो weather hot था, because it was a sunny morning, तो weather कैसा हो गया था वहाँ पर? Heat, and she was wearing 2 dresses, right? तो heat and the weight of her clothes. Weight क्यों? Because she was wearing 2 clothes, 1 shawl and thick mountain shoes as well. So she looked at the goatherd and clad in nothing but a pair of shorts and jumping swiftly along on his bare feet. Children, one more word is that exhausted, means tired. Exhausted. Underline this word. Underline this word, exhausted. Next, she looked at the goatherd, clad in nothing but a pair of shorts. Clad means dressed up. Wearing nothing but, क्या पहना हुआ था उसने? A pair of shorts. Any shorts? Half sleeves t-shirts and shorts he was wearing. Jumping swiftly along on his bare feet. Bare children without wearing footwears. नंगे पैर जिसको हम बोलते हैं, बिना शूज या स्लीपर्स पहने हुए. Bare feet. All at once she sat down on the ground and pulled off her shoes and stockings. Now when she found the boy was wearing only pair of short dress and bare feet, then what did she do? She sat down at one place. वो एक जगह बैठ जाती है और क्या करती है? Pulled off her shoes and stockings. जो shoes हैं और stockings होते चलो जो socks होते हैं पहनने वाले, long socks. तो she pulled off her shoes and stockings. Then she unwound the red shawl before unbuttoning her frock. Then she also unwound the shawl. यानी उसने shawl को भी निकाल दिया and unbuttoned. उसने अपनी frock को भी निकाल दिया. And after that it was off in a second, but there was another one under it because she was wearing two dresses. तो उसने जब एक frock को निकाला तो she was wearing another one. एक और पहना हुआ था उसने. Quick as lightning the second फ्रॉक फॉलोड द फर्स्ट. तो उसने जल्दी से उस सेकेंड फ्रॉक को भी निकाल दिया. नाउ द चाइल्ड स्टूड ओनली हर लाइट शॉर्ट स्लीव्ड अंडरगारमेंट्स. लेकिन शॉर्ट स्लीव्स के जो इनर अंदर उसने पहना हुआ था, शी वॉज इन दैट ड्रेस ओनली. वो उस टाइम व्हेन शी पुल्ड ऑफ हर क्लोथ्स, जब उसने अनबटन कर दिया, निकाल दिया अपने दोनों ड्रेसेस को, देन नाउ शी वॉज इन शॉर्ट स्लीव्स. She put her clothes together in a little heap, then went climbing up after the goatherd and the goats. Now what she did, when she put her clothes together in a little heap, जब उसने सारे कपड़े अपने निकाल दिए, and heap मतलब एक ढेर बना देना, put in a pile, right, in a untidy way. एक गंदे तरीके से ऐसे इकट्ठे कर दिए उन्होंने उसके clothes को. Then went climbing up after the goatherd and the goats. वो जो goatherd था, बच्चा था, उसके पीछे और goats के पीछे वो भाग गई. Climbing up the mountains. Able now to move at her ease. Now what? She was able to move at her ease. मतलब she was wearing only her short sleeves. तो अब क्योंकि weight नहीं था उसके clothes का, and she was bare feet as well, right? तो she could move easily. वो easily move कर सकती थी. She leapt and skipped almost as nimbly as the goats. Underline the word nimbly, children. The word nimbly. Nimbly means energetic. In an energetic manner. She was leapt and skipped. यानी jump कर रही थी, skip कर रही थी, and almost as nimbly as the goats. यानी goats होती है ना, light weighted होती है ना goats. उसकी तरह जैसे गोट्स चलती है ना, जंप करते हुए, लेफ्ट करते हुए, स्किप करते हुए, इन द सेम वे हेडी वाज आल्सो वॉकिंग. चिल्ड्रन, आई एम श्योर दैट यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. आप टुडे मैम इज गोइंग टू शेयर डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स एंड वर्ड बैंक, तो दैट यू हैव टू डू इन योर नोटबुक, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर नोटबुक. चिल्ड्रन, प्रीवियसली हम लोग काम कर रहे थे इंग्लिश ग्रामर की नोटबुक में. देयर आर 2 नोटबुक्स फॉर इंग्लिश लिटरेचर एंड इंग्लिश ग्रामर. तो ऑन द प्रीवियस टर्न वी हैव done the work in grammar notebook, but now we will do the work in literature notebook. Okay, so now this work today, the work which ma'am is going to share, this work you will be doing in literature notebook. The word bank and difficult word with word bank ma'am will share today. Okay, and I am sure that you have underlined the difficult words also. Fine, don't write these difficult words which ma'am has underlined. अभी जो underline की इन words को आपको नहीं लिखना है. Which the word which ma'am is going to share, जो words ma'am share करेगी वो आपको लिखना है. ठीक है, तो रिवाइज दिस चैप्टर. अभी इसको रिवाइज करिएगा, पूरा चैप्टर को नेक्स्ट फर्दर उसको रीड करिएगा. ठीक है, तो वील मीट ऑन द नेक्स्ट टर्न एंड विल कंटिन्यू विद द सेम चैप्टर. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.